If you've been watching my channel for a while now, you may have noticed that my workouts have changed significantly. And there's a good reason for that. I'm pregnant. Right now, at the time of this recording, I'm 23 weeks pregnant, and my husband and I could not be more excited to welcome our first baby into the world. And since you've been such a special part of this journey, I thought it would be important to make this video to share with you how my fitness routine has changed, how I've replaced my regular rebounding workouts, and why I'm actually more excited than ever about helping you get started rebounding. So let's dive in. First off, thank you so much. A lot of you have mentioned that I haven't been doing as many rebounding workouts lately, and I've been sharing some different kinds of workouts with you. And as many of you might know, I'm going to be turning 40 this October, which I'm very excited about this new season and a new chapter of life, and I'm learning to explore it in my own unique way. And this season of life has really shown me how unique our fitness journeys are and how they change over time. And right now I'm choosing to modify my workouts, really listen to my body, and focus on staying healthy and active, not only for myself, but for my growing baby. But my goal still has not changed. The way I'm getting there looks a little different these days. So instead of rebounding every single day, you might be wondering, what am I doing instead to stay active and healthy? And one of the most powerful things that I've been doing is just walking, as simple as it sounds. Almost every day, Mom and I get out together and we go for a walk, and it's starting to become one of my favorite parts of the day. Before I was pregnant, I was a very solo runner, right? I would, just pop my headphones in. I'd go for my run or my rebounding workout, get that workout done and move on with the rest of my day. But this season has really shown me that things can be a little bit different, and I'm really liking this slower pace. Now, Mom and I get outside, we catch up on life, we solve the world's problems, or at least we like to think that we do. We laugh and encourage each other, and before we know it, we've walked 2 or 3 miles without even thinking about it. And it's reminded me that movement doesn't have to be super intense to make it meaningful. Sometimes it's just about moving your body, being in nature, and spending time with the people you love. Another thing that's very important to me is strength training. And each week I try to lift twice a week, but I'm lifting a little bit lighter and really listening to my body these days. One form of strength training that I've really started to enjoy is using the CROSSROPE. And it's a wireless jump rope that helps me strengthen my upper body and my core without jumping. So it's very low impact. I can do it seated in a chair, and it's been a fun way to add a little strength and endurance to my normal routine. And on days when I need something just a little bit slower, I'll roll out my yoga mat. I've been doing a lot of prenatal yoga whenever I can, and it's been a great way for me to slow down, stretch, and reconnect. Even just a few minutes a day can leave me feeling very refreshed and relaxed. And even though my workouts have changed quite a bit over the last couple of months, my passion for helping women discover rebounding has not at all. And I've been creating a program. It's called the Beginner's Rebounding Roadmap, and it's a step-by-step program designed to help women who are brand new to rebounding or just want to get started with confidence and feel safe on the rebounder. And since many of the women on this channel are in their 50s, 60s, and beyond, it just made sense to have my mom help demonstrate some of the workouts. And I wanted this to feel like a program that you feel encouraged, realistic, and something that you can see yourself doing. And honestly, I cannot wait to share it with you. And if you want to be the first to be notified when the Beginner's Rebounding Roadmap is available, be sure to join the waitlist in the links below. And thank you so much for being a part of this journey with me and celebrating this new season of life. I truly appreciate each and every one of you, and I'll see you in the next video.